This is a dashboard with earnings of over $1,000, and a lot of beginners are actually taking advantage of this online money making opportunity. And if you do this the exact way I will be showing you in the later part of this video, then you can be well on your way to making the same or even more. So for this online opportunity, what you want to do is first of all sign up, and you can click on the join now. Once you do that, it will take you to this page where you can put in your details, your first name, last name, email, username. You just want to basically fill in the details and follow through the process. And once you have signed up, you want to log in. Now, once you have logged in, this obviously is a new account. You can see the dashboard, and this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, this particular online opportunity is Fiverr affiliate marketing, and I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways that you can use to drive traffic and make the most amount of money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Now, once you get to your dashboard, here you want to go to marketing tools and default and deep links. Under this place, this is where you'd see all of your links. You have the Fiverr Marketplace, you have the Fiverr Pro, you have the logo maker, and you have the sub affiliate. And these are all your links, and they all have different commission. I will link a video to the end of this video where I explained in-depthly on their commissions and how much you can earn with them. Now, also to the withdrawal aspect, you can only withdraw your money when you have reached a threshold of $100. Now, do not worry, as I will be showing you 5 different areas that you can use to drive free traffic and hit this threshold as quick as possible. Now, you want to start sharing your Fiverr link, and the first thing you want to do is you want to pick a service on Fiverr that you want to promote. You can see there are a lot of niches up here. You want to look through all the niches. It could be image editing, it could be video editing, it could be website development, whatever it is. So let's say we want to promote video editing. So you can see these are the freelancers that offer video editing services. And one thing I would suggest is you go for the pro, because any freelancer's gig that you see this pro embedded on it, it means that Fiverr has actually vetted this freelancer and has indicated that this freelancer is literally really good at what they do. Also, if you promote pro freelancers on Fiverr, you get to earn more commission. Now, what you simply want to do is click on any link of your choice, click on share, this icon here, and you simply want to copy the link. Now, once you have copied the link, you would not go ahead and promote the link just like that. You will go back to your dashboard as you want to get the affiliate link for that gig. So you want to go back to default and deep links. You want to click on deep link, and you want to paste the link here. Click on save, and you can see all of the links. Now, this is very important as you want to select the appropriate link to promote. Now, because we are promoting a Fiverr Pro freelancer, we will be taking the link for the Fiverr Pro plan. As you know, this link is quite lengthy and may not really convert much if you do it that way. So what you want to do is simply head over to Bitly and simply shorten your link. You want to click on link, the link destination. This is the link destination. The title, you can say Fiverr Pro, and we want to simply create our link. In a matter of minutes, our link has been shortened, and you can see this link is much more convertible, and it's of course pleasant to the eyes. Now, there are 5 free ways that you can direct traffic. There are several others, but for the purpose of this video, I will be sharing with you 5 free ways because these particular ways have been proven to work over and over. A matter of fact, it makes it even passive because you do it once, and as long as people keep saying it, you will have more people coming over, clicking your link, and eventually buying. One of the first traffic source is by heading over to Medium. Now, Medium is more like a site where you can post articles or post blogs, and Medium has quite a very huge amount of people that go on there. And what you simply want to do, of course, is simply write an article or write a blog post. The key to this is writing something that would be intriguing, that would be captivating, and that would attract people to actually want to view it in detail. One way you can do that is by leveraging ChatGPT. You want to post it there and you want to publish it. Once you do that, your article will go live and people can see it and see your links, eventually click and purchase the Fiverr product you're promoting. The next traffic source on the list is Quora. Now, Quora is more like a simple question and answer platform where you can share your thoughts on something. And one key way to leverage on Quora is by going to communities where they are like minds. For example, you want to go to YouTube communities because the kind of people that will need this video editing are YouTubers or people on social media. For example, you want to go to YouTube Growth Hack. Now, one key way to do this is to create value posts that people can actually learn from. And that way you slowly build up the interest and chip in your affiliate link. That way people relate with it and there's a high likelihood of them clicking your link to eventually purchase. Now, the next traffic source is Reddit. Now, Reddit is quite similar to Quora, more like a question and answer platform. However, Reddit is more of anonymous, so you can't know who exactly is posting. Just like with Quora, you want to go to communities that have those people that you are targeting, YouTubers, creators, social media people. You want to go to those communities and provide value first. With Reddit, they are a bit more stricter about putting links. So you want to check the rules of the groups that you join first and ensure that the group actually allows you to put links so you do not get banned. So you first of all want to put in value before you gradually chip in your link. Now, the third way, which is one of my favorite way, is YouTube. Now, if you already have a YouTube channel, it is really, really good for you. You can simply create videos that would center around whatever you are trying to promote and simply add your affiliate links in the description. And the great thing about YouTube is it is a search engine. So in 7 years, 10 years, your videos can still resurface and keep making money for you. The last traffic source that you can use to promote traffic is Twitter. Now, one thing I like about Twitter is with Twitter, you do not have to make complicated posts. Your post can be literally a sentence and it will generate a large impression. And with Twitter, you can create content on the go. You do not need to overthink it. For example, you can see this guy, for the next hour, ask me anything about YouTube. And he has made 3.7k impression on this particular post. Why? Because it attracts people to want to comment, to want to engage it. So that is the kind of way you want to put on your Twitter. And you can now leave your affiliate link in the comment section. I hope you found this very helpful. Remember, once you have gained a lot of traffic and of course you have gotten your commission, you've reached the threshold, you can then withdraw your money to your PayPal account. So you need to have a working PayPal account. So I hope you found this really helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe for more videos, and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon so that when next I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. Again, I have attached the link to a detailed video on the Fiverr affiliate marketing tutorial, step by step, how to sign up, what you need to know about all of these things here, how the commission is for all the products on the Fiverr affiliate marketing program, and everything you need to know. You want to check that out here if you need more details with regards to that. See you and ciao.